Top 5 at-home workouts that require no equipment.
Looking to boost your fitness from home, but don't have any gear? No problem. In this video, we'll explore 5 simple yet effective workout routines you can do from the comfort of your living room. All you need is your body weight and some motivation. Let's get started on your journey to better health and strength. No equipment necessary.
1. Bodyweight squats.
Bodyweight squats are a fantastic way to strengthen your legs and glutes. Stand comfortably with your feet shoulder-width apart. Then bend your knees and lower your hips as if sitting back into a chair. Keep your chest up and core engaged. Rise back up to standing. Repeat for a set number of reps to build lower body power.
2. Push-ups.
Push-ups are a classic upper body exercise that works your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Start in a plank position, hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up. Beginners can modify by dropping to their knees. Everyone can benefit from adding push-ups to their routine.
3. Plank hold.
The plank is a simple yet challenging move for your core, back, and shoulders. Begin face down with forearms and toes on the floor, keeping your body in a straight line. Hold this position for as long as you can without letting your hips drop. Planks help improve posture and overall stability, making them an excellent addition to any workout.
4. Jumping jacks.
Jumping jacks are a fun, full-body exercise that gets your heart pumping and muscles moving. Stand upright and simultaneously jump your feet out to the sides while raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. This cardio-friendly move is perfect for warming up or adding a burst of energy to any workout session.
5. Mountain climbers.
Mountain climbers combine cardio and strength training for your core, arms, and legs. Start in a plank position, then quickly alternate driving your knees toward your chest, one at a time. Keep your hips low and back flat. This dynamic movement builds endurance and coordination, great for burning calories and boosting fitness without any equipment.
Get moving. No equipment needed.
You don't need fancy gym equipment to build strength, burn calories, and feel great. These 5 bodyweight exercises can be mixed into a powerful workout routine right at home. Remember to listen to your body and adjust for your comfort and ability. With consistency, you'll see and feel the benefits. No equipment required. Time to get moving.